If you were impressed by the PD motion planner algorithm, you will love the smoothness of the LABPure PursuitLAB while moving the robot toward its destination. As always, to test this algorithm, let's first start the simulation of our robot. So let's go to the workspace, let's source it, and let's launch from the BumperBot bring up package the simulated robot.launch.py within the word name that is the small house environment. So let's press enter, and this starts the simulation of our robot along with RVs. So here we go. Let's wait for the simulation to properly load. Here we go. And so once the simulation is loaded, we can finally start the path planner first. So here let's source again the workspace and let's run from the BumperBot planning package. We want to start the A-star planner. Also in this case, I'm going to start the C++ implementation of this node. But if you want, you can start the Python one just by adding the suffix.py. So let's press enter, and this starts the A-star planner. So now it is waiting just for our goal in order to calculate a path. But before doing so, let's also start the motion planner that we've just developed. So the PursuitLAB motion planner. And to do so, let's source again the workspace and let's run from the BumperBot motion package the PursuitLAB algorithm. And also for this algorithm, I'm going to start the C++ implementation. So let's press enter, and now all is set. So the path planner is waiting for our goal, and the PursuitLAB is waiting for the path that is produced by the planner. So let's see how all of this works. So let's back to RVs, and here before sending a goal using this tool here, let's first add the visualization of some topics in order to inspect the behavior of our algorithms. So let's add the visualization of the path calculated by the A-star planner, and also let's add the visualization. So if we go to the PursuitLAB, we can see that we have a topic called carrot that is a type pose. So let's visualize this pose, and this is the carrot pose that the PursuitLAB algorithm will try to reach. So let's add it, and now everything is set. To send a goal to our path planner, so let's use the 2D goal pose, and for example, let's send a goal, let's say here. Immediately we can see that the A-star planner calculates the path to the desired destination, and also starting from the current pose, the robot starts to move along the path, and so in order to reach the carrot pose up to the end, so up to the final pose in the path. As we can see, so if we send more goals, the resulting behavior, so the movement, the overall movements of the robot are much smoother, as we can see, and they are also much nicer to see than the PD controller that we developed in the previous lessons.